I tried SaverHaulcom app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. SaverHaulcom claims to help users save money on shopping, but most people get this wrong. They assume cashback and deals apps are confusing or ineffective. I tested the app daily to see if it actually delivers. On day 1, I explored the interface. The surprising truth, it's straightforward and organized, showing available deals, cashback percentages, and shopping categories. Many assume saving apps are cluttered, but this one is clean and easy to navigate. By day 2, I activated a few deals. You won't believe how simple it was. Just click shop and track your cashback. Most people get this wrong, expecting hidden steps or delayed payouts, but SaverHaul provides real-time tracking. Day 4, I monitored my earnings. Even small purchases added up quickly, demonstrating how consistent use can generate meaningful savings. Many people underestimate the cumulative impact of cashback apps, but SaverHaul makes it tangible. By day 6, I tested notifications and reminders. They were helpful without being overwhelming, alerting me to new deals and cashback opportunities. Most people assume constant notifications are annoying, but these were well balanced and useful. On day 7, my final verdict: SaverHaulcom app is legit, practical, and genuinely helps save money. The shocking truth: you can earn rewards effortlessly on purchases you already make, turning routine shopping into a smart financial habit. With an intuitive interface, easy tracking, and useful alerts, SaverHaul proves that saving money doesn't have to be complicated. It can be simple, reliable, and surprisingly rewarding.